How to get Japanese display name on Roblox in 2024. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add Japanese text on your Roblox display name in 2024. So without further ado, let us begin. So it is really quite simple. So what you want to do is just go to roblox.com and then just go to your settings. So just click on this gear icon right here and then just go to settings. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in your account info. So in here, you will get to see your display name. So what you want to do is just go to your display name and then just click on this pencil icon right here to change your display name. So just click on that. And then after that, what you want to do is just go on to Google and then just search for English to Japanese Google Translate. And then from here, what you want to do is to just type in the text that you want translated into Japanese. So as an example, I will use hello. And then after that, what you want to do is you just copy the Japanese text, Control C, go back to Roblox, and then just paste in the Japanese text. And then there you go. So as you can see, I can now save it. But if you add like English letters to this Japanese text right here, so I'll just add one as an example. As you can see, it says right here, display name contains unsupported characters. So yeah, you can't add English text to your Japanese text as your display name. So if you want just Japanese text, just use Japanese text. But if you want to use English text, just use English text. So yeah, so once you're done configuring your display name, just click on save and then you are done. So yeah. That's pretty much it on how to get Japanese display name on Roblox in 2024. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.